Hello my friends and welcome back into our channel. Well, make sure to stay tuned till the end because today we are going to share with you a very unique strategy which you have never seen before and which includes one single website. So this strategy is going to help you to make hundreds of money by only using it. In order to make it work, make sure guys to follow me and to watch me till the end so you can understand how it functions. And as well guys, this kind of strategy, it doesn't ask for you any experience at all or any unique skills. And also if you don't have a laptop or a computer, you can use it by your mobile phone. And what is beautiful and very good about this website as well is that it is worldwide. So everyone that is watching this video can use it to earn some extra incomes online. Now before I start, if you like this kind of content, make sure to give it a thumb up. It will help us a lot, and also to subscribe to our channel, to turn the notification on, and also to share your opinion with us into the comment section. We will appreciate that as well. Now the website that I told you, it's called PAIDERA.com. But before I go there, I want to share with you that at the end of this video as well, I'm going to give you a bonus tip which can help to increase more your incomes online. The name of the website is PAIDERA.com, and if you are not sure about this website, if it is legit or not, you can see into the review section that there are different people giving reviews about this website. So City from Indonesia, for example, has said that this website is really good. I recommend it, perfect for looking for income while relaxing. Thank you, PAIDERA. Hopefully this website will forever be victorious and the members will increase once again. Thank you, PAIDERA. I am very satisfied with this website. And Aisha from Morocco has said, finally PAIDERA sent my payment. This is my first payment from this website. I think it's the best for earn the money, and this website offers various ways to earn money such as surveys, tasks and referrals. As you can see, PAIDERA pays you with PayPal option. And as well, if you scroll a little more guys, you can see here that Gahir from Kuwait has said that this is my first payment from PAIDERA.com. This website is one of the market to earn money online with acceptance in almost all the countries in the world. This website offers various ways to earn money such as surveys, tasks, referrals. This is honest site 100%. And the last one that I'm going to read is going to be this guy over here, Joel from Philippines. As you can see, he says that I'm here again, just received my third payment from PAIDERA. This is a useful website because you can earn money in easy way. There are many ways to earn money. We mentioned them before, and one of them is by answering surveys and quizzes. Anyone can do this, especially for those who wants to earn extra income, students and working moms from home. So what you're waiting for, sign up and start earning. And yeah guys, if you're not still very sure about this website, you can go into the very first page of it, into home part, and you can see that PAIDERA suggests you to turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience, using all-in-one solution provided by PAIDERA to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirections, instant payments requests, both mobile and desktop users are accepted. So all what I told you since the beginning you can see here. If you scroll a little, you can see that why PAIDERA is one of the best, because it offers you unlimited tasks to fill in. Also, it offers you to invite your friends, so you will not only get paid by completing tasks, surveys and quizzes, but also you can get paid by inviting friends and sending referrals. And it offers as well instant payments. We saw this at the review part. So raise the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payments easily, 24/7 available. And also what PAIDERA offers is sign up tasks, complete these surveys, upload videos, invite friends and write about them, all in one and all in around the world. And also we can see the number of the users or the members that I have completed the tasks and have got paid. So 9,030 members have completed 7,877 tasks, and 1,516 has got payments sent into their account. And yeah, after we read all this, what you're gonna do is just clicking into create an account over here. When you click into that, this is how it's going to look like. But before I continue, if you learned something new here, guys, and if you are enjoying it, make sure to give it a thumb up and also to subscribe. You can see when you go into create an account, you will type your first name, last name, username, email address, password, confirming it, and you will create a new account for free in PAIDERA.com. When you have logged in, this is how it's going to look like. In the dashboard, you have different options to see. But before we go there, you can see as well the name that you can use for PAIDERA. For the sake of this video, I have opened a new account. In the dashboard, there are offered different tools to you, like video tutorials, micro tasks, surveys, promotional, referrals, rewards, payments, and so on. So if you click, for example, let's say into task and choose one of them, you can see the different tasks that are offered to us and also the payment. I know that this is not a big amount of payments, but if you consider the fact that you're doing it online and with not such a hard work, and also if you complete a lot of them, you are going to get paid $100. If you don't have a computer, you can use the mobile option over here, and also if you don't want to use this one, you can use desktop, and you can see as well here surveys. Now guys, if you scroll into the dashboard bars, you can see that there are offered different surveys as well to complete. You can continue by completing the task, but you can continue as well by completing the surveys. You will just choose one of these over here. For example, this is how it's going to look like. You can choose between them, surveys or quizzes. What you're gonna do is just clicking into start a quiz. I told you don't worry about the payment part. That I know that it looks a little amount of money, but if you complete a lot of them, you are going to get hundreds more. So I've chosen this one, and what I'm going to do is just clicking into start completing to complete the quiz. I will have here the first question, and I will just choose between the options that are given here. So don't worry about the answer because it doesn't matter at all. What they need is just your answer and continuing with the next step and completing more surveys and more quizzes. Now, something else that I want to share with you guys is that when you complete these, you are going to see that they are offered a lot of ads. Don't worry about that part because you don't need to watch the ads. What you need to do is just scrolling down, finding one of the answers that you want to give and clicking into next, and that's all. I'm not going on with these quiz anymore because I don't want to prolong this video. I want to share with you now the bonus tip that I promised you since the beginning. Now, I told you that PAIDERA offers you a lot of options, and one of them is referral. And now we know, guys, that referrals and affiliate marketing is one of the best way of getting money online. So when you click into that, this is how it's going to look like. You can refer this website, guys, to different friends of yours. They will not only get money, but they will enjoy it as well because they will just get money by completing some easy tasks, some easy surveys, and so on. And for today's video, guys, and today's strategy, that was all. If you find it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, to give it a thumb up and to push the notification. And also, guys, make sure to check out the videos like before. They will help you more to earn money online.